Hey y'all, the good folks over at Hawkrown sent me this floor bathroom cabinet. We're going to get it put together and see what it looks like. Stick around. With any luck, we'll be able to put this together up here on this desk because I don't want to work down in the floor. Packed really well. Have our bathroom storage cabinet installation manual. See what kind of tools we're going to need. Looks like a Phillips screwdriver. Yep, Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Oh, be careful when you're putting furniture together with one of these because you don't want to over tighten things. Like we have our little nail to strap onto the back and tack it to the wall, keep it from falling forward. Hinges, hardware to install the hinges, furniture nuts, whatever you want to call those. And there we go. Let's get started. Step one, take a break. Just joking. Okay, pictures. I like pictures. We need number 4 and 5. Gotta love an electric desk. If you'd like to get you one of these electric desks, this is actually just the frame, but you can put a desktop on top of it. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description where you can get this. And this is pretty heavy duty frame. It will lift quite a bit. A little overkill for this size of a tabletop, but it'll get the job done, that's for sure. And it's smooth. Okay, we need number 10. Let's see what numbers were these. That was 7. Now, next step is to put this little hanger thing back here to screw it to the wall. If you need that, that would be step 11, but we're not going to put that on there. There's a screw hole right up there. And we're going to put our door together here. Now, this does have adjustable shelves. You can see the holes right here. Same thing on this side. So put that shelf wherever you'd like. Just like so. Well, there it is. You saw how easy it was to put together. Small enough where you can move it around wherever you want to. Pretty little chrome handle right there. You can put toilet paper. Well, let me show you. So you got toilet paper. Put it in here, wherever you want to put it. Kleenexes, put them in there. Washcloths, you can put in there. Wipes, put up there, or vice versa. Actually, it'd probably be good like that. There you go. nice little bathroom storage cabinet. It's small enough to put pretty much wherever you'd want to. You could set it down on the floor. You could put a little stand underneath it, get it up off the ground a little bit higher. Just whatever you would like. Easy to put together, nothing to it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. Well, that's about it. Let me get some measurements for you, just in case you're curious. Okay, the important one is the height. You're looking at 31 and, well, a little over 31 and a half. 31 and 9/16. The width is going to be about 7 1/8, about 7 1/4 inches wide. The depth is about the same, about 7 1/4. So it's the same this way as it is this way. There you have it. Really nice little bathroom storage cabinet. I'll give it a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.